Hello, my name is Jessica. In this video, I'm going to talk about house cleaning day. In my family, we have a specific day for cleaning the house. It's on Saturdays. On Saturdays, we all get up early in the morning and start cleaning. First of all, we throw away things that we don't need anymore. We have a big garbage bin outside. After a long week with school and work, it is time for everyone to help clean up something. We like to feel happy in our home, so we do the cleaning together. My mom cleans the kitchen and the windows. She uses soap and spray cleaners. She works as a nurse, and she has to wear gloves all the time at work. So when we are cleaning, she takes off her gloves and puts on these ones. Sam, my brother, and I clear the mess and clean our rooms. We put our books that are on the floor in their appropriate place. We clean under the beds too. We also clean our shared bathroom. We all wear gloves while cleaning. My dad vacuums the living room and cleans and organizes the garage. After that, he mops the floors. He takes things to the trash. Every year, we donate some cloths to a local charity organization. They come and pick up the things that we don't need anymore. We're very happy to help them. When we finish cleaning, we are all tired. We go out and order some foods. We like to eat, then watch a good movie. We go out on Sundays. So Saturdays are for relaxing and watching movies at home. It's getting late. I have to get ready for bed. It's been an exciting day. I hope your weekends are fun too. Bye.